Hello and good day to Dr. Nick, our BZT304 Invertebrate Zoology lecturer. I'm Chirawan anak perempuan cry with matrix number 150789, and today I'm going to talk about the platyhelminth, or as known as the flatworm. So there are a few reasons for me to justify why I chose this invertebrate instead of the others. It's because they are a group of soft body, usually much flattened invertebrates, and most of them are actually parasitic, which makes up of 80%. And how do we ID platyhelminths? So you take a flatworm and you cut, see if you get bilateral symmetrical shape. If yes, then that's a flatworm. And they also have the leg, specialized respiratory, circulatory, and the skeletal system. The next one is that they are acoelomate, and between their organs they are actually filled up with mesenchyme or the parenchyma. So here comes the fun fact. So if you want to know, we can't actually cut a flatworm, because if you cut it into half you will get two flatworms. So why is that so? It's because they have a special pluripotent stem cells which makes up 1/5 of their bodies, and they can grow into every new part every time you cut them. So they're basically known as the immortal under the edge of knife. So this actually leaves me wondering if this can actually help the human in the future. The answer is yes. We have a researcher named Dr. Stephen Bedilek, the Deputy Director of the McGowan Institute for Generative Medicines at the University of Pittsburgh. And he actually developed a treatment that helps patients to regrow their fingertip after an accident. Despite he doesn't learn about the planarians, he managed to produce a powder that made of animal collagen and substance that stimulate the cell to growth just by simply applying it on the wounded finger of the patient. So the powder actually helped the finger to form a scaffold that attracts stem cells from the body part that are still intact. So a new finger will grow. And it might not be as identical as the one that we had, but it is functional, and that's the most important point. And Dr. Bedilek and his team also been able to help patients that undergo catastrophic injuries such as motorcycle accidents to regrow 30 to 40% of their muscle by using the technique. And he's excited to know that the scientists are actually learning about the planarians, and he said much more could be done if the research are being done about the stem cells. So the research about the flatworms are still ongoing, but I hope that maybe one day the flatworms could help us to inspire a new way to help us heal. So that's all from me today. Thank you for listening.